Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer and today I'm in Medburn to show you a charming double-fronted home with open aspect views over country fields from the front and rear. This is luxury country living. The Shaker kitchen has a multi-purpose oversized kitchen island with a breakfast bar area, integrated cupboards and granite worktops. There's a range cooker space with a fully tiled chimney extractor hood. This definitely is a cook's kitchen. Through to the dining room, and there's so much floor space, allowing you to have a large dining table and chairs, perfect for hosting and entertaining. Now to the best bit, to the living room. And there's a vaulted skylight, allowing light to flood the space, with two sets of bifolding doors, creating harmony with outside. And you've got those open aspect views over the fields beyond. The master bedroom has a fully tiled ensuite with a walk-in wardrobe. I would love one of these in my new home. Elsewhere, there's 3 double bedrooms, a main family bathroom with freestanding bath, and an ensuite to the second main bedroom with open aspect views at the front and the back. Set on a private gated road in Medburn, this home is perfect for anybody wanting a country lifestyle in a modern and stylish home. This is luxury country living. Until next time.